I think it was amazing. I was actually working on UHPC earlier on also. I tried it about 2.5 years back, but couldn't succeed. I mean, I knew the basics, but the way you kind of brought in the new perspective and the fact that you can hand mix it, I was just thinking it to be very, very technical and mixer at a particular speed, at a particular RPM and all. But then when you kind of told that it can be hand mixed, and it gave me real new confidence to try it, and it turned out better like I tried. So it was amazing. The session was amazing. The way it is structured is really good. The other also, it also kind of brought a fresh perspective to me as an architect, that the things can really be made at factory and brought to site and assembled. So it is really a great learning, and I actually, it is stuck in my mind, and I am looking for the opportunity, like I told you yesterday also. I kind of came across while discussing this. So when you have something in your mind, you keep looking for that stuff. So precast is, I think, is going to be the future of the industry going forward. So I am pretty hopeful, and I think you are at the right place at the right time. So all the best. I think you will do amazingly well going forward. Thank you.